My name is Dror Feiler and I'm from Sweden. But I was not born in Sweden. I was born in Israel. What Israeli government is doing is not only against the Palestinians, it's also against the Jews. We are standing here together, both Christian, Jews, Muslims, and non-believers, because we are for human rights of international law, because we are for the rights of everyone, regardless where he or she is coming from and what he and she believes in. When our politician speaks about human rights, international law, and don't do anything, it's our task, the people, to do something, to force them to act. And this, what we did with the first flotilla. And for the freedom of the people of Gaza, our 9 martyrs have died. And I want to say again and again and again, so all the world will know, your martyrs are our martyrs. Your martyrs are our martyrs, are the whole world martyrs. We don't want from the Israeli government an excuse. We don't want to hear the lies. We want them to the same place where we had Milosevic, to the International Court in Hague. People who make crimes should be judged. And we can promise you that we will go again and again and again to Gaza until Gaza and Palestine is free.